Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Now in this session we are discussing about the environmental science studies 1.02. In this session we are discussing about the five questions that are related to the environmental science, that are related to the environmental studies. Okay friends, in this session we discussing about the first question. This is E-waste doesn't include E-waste doesn't include the option is A. Compact fluorescent lamps, B is mercury containing equipment, C is computers and other appliances, and D is demolition waste. Its correct answer is D, that is the demolition waste. Next question is, all the changes in the environment while planning a developing project should be such that option A is the environment is not adversely affected. Option B is the project ensures sustainable development. Option C is the development activities do not strain the environment beyond the capacity. And the last option is all of these. Question number second, its correct answer is answer D, that is all of these. Next one, the third question is the full form of ISO. A. International Organization for Standardization. This is the International Organization for Standardization. B. International Standard Organization. C. Indian, that is the Indian, this is Indiana, that is the wrong, that is the Indian Standard Organization. And last option is International Statistical Organization. Okay, its correct answer is A, that is the International Organization for Standardization. This is the organization, that means ISO means International Organization for Standardization. Next one is question number 4. Presence of sewage fungus community in water bodies is indicative of high levels. Option A. Organic pollutants. B. Heavy metals. C. Inorganic pollutants. D. None of these. Its correct answer is A. Inorganic pollutants. Last question of this session is, what is radiation? Option A. Radiation is energy given off by matter in the form of, that is the TS, this is the in the form of rays or high speed particles. This is the printing mistake. B. It is emission of electrons. C. It is the emission of protons. And last option is none of these. Question number 5. What is radiation? Its correct answer is A. That is, radiation is energy given off by matter in the form of rays or high speed particle. Highest. Okay, this is the its answer. What is radiation? Radiation means radiation is energy. It is the form of energy given off by matter in the form of rays or high speed particles. Okay, thank you very much.